Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how some apps just get you? Well, today we're diving into the tech that makes them almost read your mind, large language models, or LLMs for short. These brainy programs can chat, write, and even code. But as smart as they are, they need a guardian. We're checking out Purple Llama, a cool tool that keeps these LLMs safe and sound, so they keep on doing their magic the right way. Stick around as we explore how this digital security guard is changing the game. Project number 1, Purple Llama, securing the future of large language models. In a world where AI can chat with us, translate languages, and even whip up a chunk of code, it's crucial to make sure these smart programs play by the rules. Enter Purple Llama, a toolkit from the tech gurus at Meta Llama. It's like a secret agent for AI, ensuring these large language models, or LLMs for short, stay on the right track. Purple Llama is all about keeping things safe. Imagine giving your car a regular checkup. That's what Purple Llama does for LLMs. It uses smart metrics to see if the AI is acting weird or might go off the rails. For example, it checks if the AI's written code could turn naughty, or if it's strong enough to resist hackers trying to mess with it. If something's up, Purple Llama spots it before it can cause any trouble. But why is this important? Well, these LLMs are getting super powerful. They're popping up everywhere, from helping us search the web to coming up with new medicine. They're even in our phones, helping us type out messages. With Purple Llama, developers can breathe easy, knowing their AI won't accidentally do something it shouldn't. The best part? Purple Llama isn't some top secret code. It's open for everyone. That means any developer can use it, tweak it, and help make it even better. It's like having a worldwide team of AI bodyguards, making sure our future with AI is bright and, most importantly, secure. So there you have it. With Purple Llama, we're making sure that as AI grows smarter, it also grows safer, guarding the digital world just like superheroes in movies, but for real. Project number 2, Recharts, building beautiful and functional charts with React. Welcome to the colorful world of Recharts, where data gets a makeover. Recharts is a library that works with React, the popular JavaScript library, to help you turn numbers into stories. Imagine being able to show off your data in a way that's both good-looking and easy to understand. That's what Recharts does. This is perfect if you're building a website and you want to include some graphs. Say you've got a fitness app and you want to show users how their workouts are paying off over time. With Recharts, you can whip up a line chart that tracks their progress. And the best part, it's a piece of cake to use. You tell Recharts what kind of graph you want, give it your numbers, and voila, it does all the heavy lifting. Recharts is like having an art kit for your data. It's got all sorts of graphs in its tool belt: line charts, bar charts, pie charts, you name it. And for you, the artist, it gives you the freedom to customize these charts. Want to match the colors to your brand? Easy. Need to add labels or tooltips? No sweat. Now, if you're thinking, but I've never done this before, is it going to be tough? Don't worry. Recharts is friendly for newbies, but also has enough depth for the pros. And since it's made for React, it fits right into the ecosystem you're already working with. Plus, you're not on your own. There's a whole community of developers using Recharts, ready to lend a hand. In short, Recharts turns your data into visual stories that can impress, inform, and even inspire. It's like the difference between reading a weather report and just looking up at a bright, clear infographic of what the week's going to be like. So get ready to make your data dance with Recharts. Project number 3, Portr, simplifying local development testing. Ready to share your latest web creation with the world, or at least your team? Meet Portr, the developer's new best friend. Portr is a nifty tool that lets you take your local server live for the whole team to see without the fuss of deploying it to a public stage. Think of it as a temporary window from your computer to theirs, safe and sound behind your firewall. Portr's got your back, whether you're giving a sneak peek of your site to a client or troubleshooting with a fellow coder halfway across the globe. It's like having a private tunnel that only your team knows about, keeping the nosy neighbors out of your project until you're ready to show it off to the world. What's great about Portr is that it's self-hosted. That means all the action happens on a server you control, keeping your precious code snug as a bug in a rug. And with Portr, you can say goodbye to the headaches of setup. It's designed to be as easy as pie, even if you're not a server whiz. One of the coolest things about Portr is how it's built with teamwork in mind. You can set up different access levels, so only the right eyes get to see your work. Plus, it fits right into your existing tools and workflows. It's like the friendly neighbor who's there when you need a hand, but doesn't overstay their welcome. Now, let's be real. Portr is in its early days, so it's got that fresh paint smell. You might run into a hiccup or two, but hey, that's the adventure of coding, right? And because it's for your eyes only, you can test, break, and fix things without the pressure of a live audience. So if you're tired of the "it works on my machine" blues, give Portr a whirl. It's like having a private bridge from your desk to theirs, making collaboration a breeze and getting your site from localhost. To look at this in no time. Project number 4, Lottie for iOS, bringing animations to life. Ever wished you could sprinkle a little animation magic on your iOS app without sweating over every frame? Here's Lottie for iOS, your animation dream come true. Crafted by the wizards at Airbnb, Lottie lets you transform those snazzy After Effects animations into smooth, scalable assets in your app with just a few clicks. Lottie's no one-trick pony. It's packed with features that make animations playful yet powerful. Your app can flaunt animations that respond to user interactions, loop endlessly, or even start and stop on command. All this with the finesse of After Effects minus the headache of manual coding. What's the secret sauce? Lottie animations are vectors, not videos. They're feather light, and they scale up or down without losing an ounce of quality. Perfect for the crisp screens out there. And you get to keep your app size in check because nobody likes a heavyweight app. Getting started with Lottie is a walk in the park. You design your animation in After Effects, export it with Body Movin', that's a plugin, and Lottie brings it to life on iOS. Whether you're jazzing up that loading screen or making your buttons bounce, Lottie's got your back. And here's the kicker. It's not just for iOS. Lottie has friends in all places, from Android to React Native to the web. It's like the universal passport for animations, crossing platform borders without a fuss. But hey, every rose has its thorns. While Lottie is a powerhouse, it does require a bit of a warm-up. A little knowledge of JSON and a basic grasp of After Effects will go a long way. After all, you want to be the puppet master, not tangled in the strings. In a nutshell, Lottie for iOS is your go-to for adding that extra zing to your app. It's sleek, it's fast, and it's ready to make your app the center of attention. So why settle for static when you can have animations that dance to your tune? Project number 5, Firecrawl, streamlining website content for LLMs. In the expanding universe of large language models, LLMs, efficiency is key, and the GitHub project Firecrawl by MenWA is here to supercharge how these models process web content. Firecrawl is a smart tool that converts the complex structures of web pages into Markdown, a plain text format that LLMs can digest more easily. This transformation allows for a smoother and more effective training or processing workflow for LLMs. Why does this matter? LLMs are trained on text data, and the cleaner and more structured this data is, the better. Websites are full of valuable information, but are also cluttered with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that can confuse these models. Firecrawl strips away all these complexities, focusing solely on the essential text, making it a prime candidate for LLM processing. Using Firecrawl is like giving your LLMs a pair of glasses for reading the internet. It doesn't just blindly convert content, it smartly extracts meaningful text and organizes it into Markdown. This includes headings, lists, and paragraphs, preserving the semantic structure that is crucial for LLMs to understand the context better. But how does it work? Firecrawl crawls through websites, scraping all textual content while discarding unnecessary elements like styling and scripts. What you get is a Markdown file that mirrors the website's content in a neat, readable, and most importantly, usable format for LLMs. The beauty of Firecrawl isn't just in its functionality, but also in its accessibility. As an open source tool, it invites collaboration and improvement from developers worldwide. This communal effort continuously refines its capabilities, ensuring it remains a powerful asset in the AI and machine learning toolkit. For those looking to integrate Firecrawl into their data pre-processing steps for LLM training, the GitHub repository provides all necessary resources. This includes detailed documentation on how to set up and use the tool, examples of its conversion capabilities, and guidance on contributing to its ongoing development. In essence, Firecrawl is more than just a conversion tool. It's a bridge between the complex web and the streamlined needs of LLMs. Whether you're a researcher, developer, or AI enthusiast, Firecrawl offers a robust solution to harness web content for advanced machine learning applications efficiently. Project number 6, Cognita simplifying RAG application development. The GitHub project Cognita by TrueFoundry is transforming the landscape for developers working with reasoning augmented by GPT-3 RAG applications. These are advanced tools that harness the power of large language models like GPT-3 to boost tasks involving information retrieval, question answering, and text generation. Cognita provides a framework that simplifies building and deploying these sophisticated applications, making it easier for developers to integrate AI-driven reasoning into their projects. Why is Cognita important? RAG applications represent a cutting-edge blend of retrieval-based and generative AI technologies. They allow systems to not only find relevant information, but also reason about it to generate coherent and contextually appropriate responses. However, developing these applications often involves complex integration of different AI components. Cognita addresses this challenge by offering a modular framework that breaks down the RAG development process into manageable, reusable components. One of the standout features of Cognita is its modularity. This design philosophy ensures that developers can plug in different functionalities as needed and replace them without disrupting the entire system. This flexibility is crucial for experimenting with new AI models and algorithms, making Cognita a dynamic tool for innovation. Furthermore, Cognita is built with production environments in mind. It not only helps in creating RAG applications, but also focuses on making them robust and scalable. Whether you're deploying to a cloud environment or a local server, Cognita provides tools and documentation to ensure your applications run smoothly and efficiently. For those interested in getting started with Cognita, the project's GitHub repository is a treasure trove of resources. It includes detailed documentation that covers everything from basic setup to advanced configuration options. Developers can also find code examples that illustrate how to implement different components of the RAG architecture. Moreover, TrueFoundry encourages community contributions, which means Cognita is continuously evolving with inputs from developers across the globe. In summary, Cognita by TrueFoundry is paving the way for more accessible, efficient, and scalable RAG applications. It empowers developers to leverage the full potential of large language models in real-world scenarios, enhancing the capabilities of AI systems to understand and interact with human language in unprecedented ways. Whether you're building a customer service bot, a dynamic information retrieval system, or any other AI-driven application, Cognita offers a robust framework to bring your projects to life. Project number 7, OSWorld, a testing ground for AI agents in the real world. The GitHub project OSWorld by Xlang AI offers an innovative solution for testing and evaluating AI agents in a simulated real-world environment. OSWorld is designed to mimic a computer's desktop environment, complete with various operating systems like Ubuntu, Windows, and macOS, along with their native applications and interfaces. This unique platform allows developers to put their AI agents to the test, not just in isolated tasks, but in scenarios that mirror actual human-computer interactions. Why is OSWorld significant? In today's tech landscape, AI agents are increasingly expected to handle tasks that go beyond simple text-based commands. From interacting with graphical user interfaces to managing files and running applications, the abilities of these agents are expanding. OSWorld provides a controlled yet realistic setting where these complex capabilities can be honed and assessed. It simulates a variety of scenarios that an AI might face, from using software applications to navigating through system settings, thereby offering a comprehensive testing ground. The platform's approach to evaluation is especially crucial. It isn't limited to predefined tasks. Instead, it allows for open-ended interactions where AI agents must demonstrate their ability to perform a range of actions, just as a human would. This includes opening files, adjusting settings, and even troubleshooting issues. By providing such a diverse testing environment, OSWorld helps developers identify the strengths and weaknesses of their AI systems in handling real-world tasks. Moreover, OSWorld supports the development of multimodal AI agents. These are advanced systems that can process and understand information from multiple sources, text, visuals, and interactive elements simultaneously. The platform's capability to simulate real operating systems and applications makes it an ideal testbed for these multimodal agents, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve in everyday computing environments. For developers interested in exploring OSWorld, the project's GitHub repository is rich with resources. It includes detailed documentation on setting up the environment, comprehensive guides on how to create and run tests, and examples of how to use OSWorld for developing and refining AI agents. The project also also encourages contributions, making it a collaborative effort that benefits from the collective expertise of the AI research community. In conclusion, OSWorld by XLang AI represents a significant advancement in the field of AI development. By mimicking real-world computer environments, it allows developers to rigorously test and improve their AI agents in scenarios that reflect actual user interactions. Whether you're aiming to enhance an AI's interface navigation skills or its ability to understand and process multimodal information, OSWorld provides a robust framework for pushing the limits of artificial intelligence. Project number 8, React useHotkeys, Mastering Keyboard Shortcuts in React. The GitHub project React Hotkeys Hook by Johannes Klaus provides a powerful tool for React developers aiming to enhance user experience through keyboard shortcuts. This project simplifies the integration of hotkeys into React applications, enabling users to execute actions quickly and efficiently with just a few key presses. The core appeal of React Hotkeys Hook lies in its simplicity and effectiveness in improving user interface navigation and accessibility. By allowing developers to assign specific functions to keyboard combinations, it streamlines user interactions, particularly in complex applications where speed and efficiency are crucial. This feature is particularly beneficial in applications like online editors, productivity tools, and games, where keyboard shortcuts can significantly enhance user engagement and satisfaction. Using this hook, developers can define hotkeys for any action in their application, from navigating between pages to triggering specific functionalities like opening a modal, submitting a form, or toggling a setting. The hook works by listening for key presses and executing the associated function when the defined key combination is pressed. This process is seamlessly integrated into the React component lifecycle, ensuring that shortcuts are responsive and do not interfere with the overall application performance. Moreover, React Hotkeys Hook supports a variety of keyboard combinations and provides options for handling key events, such as preventing default browser behaviors. It also offers advanced features like defining global hotkeys that work across different components and the ability to enable or disable hotkeys dynamically based on application state. This flexibility makes it an invaluable tool for creating highly interactive and user-friendly applications. For developers interested in utilizing this project, the GitHub repository offers detailed documentation and examples. These resources guide users through setting up the hook, defining hotkeys, and integrating the functionality into their React applications. The project also encourages community contributions, allowing developers to suggest improvements or add new features, fostering a collaborative environment where the tool can evolve to meet the needs of a diverse developer community. In conclusion, the React Hotkeys Hook project is an essential tool for React developers looking to enhance their applications with keyboard shortcuts. Its ease of use, combined with powerful customization options, makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve the interactivity and accessibility of their React applications. Whether you're building a new project or looking to upgrade an existing one, integrating React Hotkeys Hook can significantly boost the user experience by making navigation and functionality more accessible and efficient. Project number 9, Aderyn, your Rust-based Solidity Guard. In the world of blockchain and smart contract development, security is paramount. The GitHub project Aderyn, crafted by the Cifrin team, serves as a vigilant guardian for Solidity smart contracts, employing Rust's robustness to ensure your blockchain applications are secure against vulnerabilities. Aderyn is a static analysis tool designed specifically to scrutinize Solidity code, which is commonly used for Ethereum smart contracts. The tool aims to identify and mitigate potential security flaws before they can be exploited in the live environment. Solidity, while powerful, carries inherent risks due to its complexity and the high stakes involved in blockchain applications. Mistakes in smart contract code can lead to significant financial losses or other serious consequences. This is where Aderyn steps in, providing a rigorous examination of your code to catch errors such as reentrancy attacks, integer overflows, and unchecked external calls, common vulnerabilities that can compromise smart contract integrity. Aderyn operates by parsing Solidity code into an abstract syntax tree, AST, which represents the structure of the code in a tree format. This allows Aderyn to analyze the code in detail, checking for patterns and practices that could lead to security breaches. By leveraging Rust's performance and memory safety features, Aderyn conducts these analyses quickly and safely, providing developers with timely feedback on potential security issues. The tool is not just about identifying problems, it also aids in educating developers about secure coding practices. Each issue detected by Aderyn is accompanied by detailed explanations and recommendations for remediation. This educational approach helps developers not only fix current issues, but also improve their coding practices to prevent future vulnerabilities. For developers and teams looking to integrate Aderyn into their development workflow, the project's GitHub page offers comprehensive documentation. This includes setup instructions, usage examples, and a detailed explanation of the kinds of security vulnerabilities Aderyn can detect. The open source nature of the project also encourages community contributions, allowing developers to add new features, improve existing ones, and keep the tool up to date with the latest in Ethereum development practices. In conclusion, Aderyn offers a crucial layer of security for anyone developing Ethereum smart contracts. By integrating Aderyn into your development process, you can safeguard your applications against common security threats, reduce the risk of costly errors, and build a stronger, more secure foundation for your blockchain projects. Whether you're a seasoned blockchain developer or just starting out, Aderyn provides the tools you need to ensure your smart contracts are as secure as possible. Project number 10, JavaScript Algorithms, Mastering Efficiency in Coding. The JavaScript Algorithms project on GitHub is an invaluable resource for anyone keen on deepening their understanding and mastery of algorithms and data structures using JavaScript. Managed by Alexei Trekleb, this repository serves as a comprehensive learning hub for exploring the fundamental building blocks of efficient coding through practical, hands-on examples. This project does not merely list algorithms and data structures, it breathes life into them with meticulously detailed JavaScript implementations. From basic sorting methods like bubble sort to more complex structures like binary trees, each concept is paired with code snippets that illustrate its functionality in action. This practical approach helps demystify abstract concepts, making them accessible and engaging for programmers of all skill levels. Understanding the mechanics of algorithms and data structures is crucial for writing efficient code. Whether you're handling massive data sets or need to optimize performance-critical applications, the techniques covered in this project can provide significant performance enhancements. For instance, knowing when to use a hash table over a simple array can be the difference between a responsive application and one that lags under heavy load. The JavaScript Algorithms repository is also a dynamic educational tool. Each entry is extensively documented, explaining how the algorithm works and where it might be applied in real-world scenarios. This not only aids in learning, but also empowers developers to make informed decisions about which data structures and algorithms to use in their projects. Moreover, the project is enriched with a community-driven approach. Contributors are encouraged to add new algorithms, suggest improvements, or update existing content, ensuring the repository remains current and comprehensive. This collaborative spirit fosters a learning community where knowledge about best practices and new discoveries is freely shared. For those looking to dive deeper, the project links to additional resources such as blog posts and instructional videos, providing multiple pathways to learning. This makes the JavaScript Algorithms project not just a tool for immediate problem solving, but a long-term companion for career growth and skill development in software engineering. In conclusion, whether you're a beginner eager to understand the basics or a seasoned developer looking to refine your technical arsenal, the JavaScript Algorithms GitHub project stands out as a cornerstone resource. It offers a unique blend of theoretical knowledge and practical application, all through the lens of JavaScript, one of the most widely used programming languages in the industry today. That wraps up our dive into this week's trending GitHub projects. Whether you're looking to secure your code, enhance your applications, or simply expand your knowledge, these tools offer something for every tech enthusiast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more updates on the latest in tech. Thanks for watching, and keep coding smart.